Hey everybody, welcome back. You can see I'm putting a little siding on this house. Finishing touches at this point, but a couple things. When you put the siding on there, you put it in the your corner pieces, you slide it in the slots where it goes, and you lift it up and snap it into the piece below it. There's a hook there, a hook and latch, and it latches in there. Now when you're hammering this in, you don't want to hammer it tight. Siding expands and contracts when it gets warm and cold, and if you hammer it tight, it won't be able to move, and it'll start warping out on you. So
Yes.
this wall here that I'm working on used to have a window where the door is. I took the window out and replaced it with a door. So you can see this siding, it'd be difficult to keep this stuff level on both sides. What I did was, there was a piece across the bottom before, and luckily I still had it, and I basically sat it up there and used it for the starter piece on the bottom, so everything lines up that way. Basically, you want to make sure that your pieces line up and that your siding runs level. And again, when you're hammering them in, leave your nails slightly loose so that your siding can move a little bit. Keeps it from buckling out. The original plan was to go with a white vertical siding on this front area, but we changed it and went with the original stuff. Just the last two pieces here at the top, they didn't make it into the video for whatever reason, but it turned out very nice. The job looks great, and couldn't be happier with it. There'll be a couple more videos coming about this project, because it is done now and it's sold, so we're good there. Don't forget to check out my page, and all the flip stuff is in the Flip House library. So there's the finished part. Looks good all the way up. So thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.